Hi, Vinny Lavodi here, Tech Support Enabling Devices. Today I'd like to talk to you about our item number 3206, our 32 message communicator with 6 levels. So let's get started. This is a 32 message communicator. It has 6 levels or sets of messages. Each one of these, this one frame is considered a level, and you can actually make 6 different sheets with 32 messages on each one of them. It's very simple to record. I'm actually going to show you how we use it, and then I'll get into the programming and also how to all the other functions and features. If you press on these icons, it'll play back a pre-recorded message that I've already recorded in the unit.
Onion. Apple juice.
It requires a very light touch. The icon area is about 1 7/8 inches by 1 7/8 inches. It also has adjustable legs on the back. Comes with a carry strap, so you can put this over your shoulder if you like. It's an adjustable shoulder strap. It also has a carry handle here on the top. Let me turn the unit over and show you how all the controls and how everything works. On the back here, I just want to go over the controls and the different features. You have a 4 AA battery compartment here. Takes 4 AA alkaline type batteries. Just Phillips head screw, remove the screw and slide the cover off. You have your on-off volume control here. You have a level dial which goes from 1 through 6, as I mentioned earlier. This unit has 6 levels, and each level will let you record 32 messages on the front, and you can retain them and go back to them at any given time. And the messages are held indefinitely unless you re-record over them. You have your record button here, and then there's your microphone. And I'm basically, oh, and here's your speaker. Don't forget that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually just going to show you how we make a recording and then how to play it back. First thing you want to do is turn the unit on. I have the machine set to level 1. And what you want to do is you want to press the record button here, hold that down, and then press one of the locations in the front. Speak your message into the microphone about 6 to 8 inches away, and then when you're done, you release both, and then you can go back and press that location on the front, and it should play back your message. So let me show you how we do that. Spinach is green. So once I record the message, turn the unit over to the front.
Spinach is green.
This way it plays back our message. It's very simple. The record time for each location is about 2.5 seconds. So with 32 messages times 6 will give you 192 messages that you can record and retain. To make your icons, you can use one of our icon makers, the printed icon maker, which is sold in our catalog on our website. This is it prints out actually on two sheets, and then you can tape those together, and you can actually laminate this because the size of the paper is bigger than legal size. So we basically made it on 2 8.5 by 11 standard printer paper, which makes it easy. You print them out, and then you join the 2 halves together, as I mentioned, and then you can also laminate those as well. And to put the back in, it's very simple. There's a slot up here on the top. Does work better if you laminate this.
Hot pepper. Asparagus.
So there you have it, the 32 message communicator, item number 3206. You can purchase this item through our website at enablingdevices.com or through our catalog and our phone sales at 1-800-832-8697. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the video.